Hi, this is the Nary Neck, and I am back with an unboxing video, which I know I haven't done in like forever. And I honestly had thought about like just not doing unboxings, but after thinking about it, it's like, no, I actually really enjoy doing them. They're also pretty easy to make, so why the hell not? Um, so today we are unboxing. Uh, this is going to be a CDJapan order. I've taken all the stickers off of it and everything already. And all I've done is like cut it open. Everything else I have left untouched. So let's get into this. Aww. Ooh, yeah, don't want to open it too much or it'll all fall out. Alright, that is just the receipt. And onto the items. And it's going to be a very Johnny's order that I had here. Let's see. Come on. Starting with, I got Smile by 2020, which is the special unit CD that they did for charity, which is like almost all active members of like Johnny's groups. Went ahead and got Johnny's West, their Double Trouble album. So that way I'm caught up with all their albums, and decided last minute to grab one of Sexy Zone's, one of the versions of their latest single, Run. So that's that, and those are the CDs. They're not the only thing I got in this one. Let me get the plastic off real quick. And I also got the September issue of Wink Up. I've been trying to get as much as I can of a full run of this magazine. Of course, for those who know, Wink Up is primarily a magazine for Johnny's acts. It has a little bit of everything else. Gotta go backwards a little, but let's see. Yeah, photo shoots. And yeah, it's been really interesting, I guess, for the past few months, as you can definitely tell that all the photo shots they've done, they've avoided having groups together, so you can tell they're all individual photo shots for all these groups and stuff that they're trying to put together. But I do kind of miss, you know, the ones that actually have them together. Yay. But yes, I'll be able to look into that more. So now for opening these singles. Like I said, this is Sexy Zone's latest single, Run. I know, I just felt like I really wanted it, and the fact that the limited editions were still available was kind of surprising, because usually those sell out so quickly. But then again, they have also changed labels, and I know depending on the label, some of them print their limited runs to be much larger than others, and I think Universal looks to be that. So let me go ahead and open. And this is the limited edition, the first one, which has the music video on the DVD. And of course, for all of these, they each have a B-side track that is just for this. Okay. Yay. there's the Obi. Yay. Inside, and oh, that is cool. I love love it when CDs, they actually use these empty spaces and not just leave them empty. But really can't wait till the next single, because the next single should have So back. It'll be a 5-member group again. We look forward to that. Oh. Oh. Huh. As I make... There we go. So there's, I guess this must be with the limited edition, but, or not just the limited edition, but, you know, kind of first pressing of it. We get a little bonus card. There's a code on the back, which is for some kind of campaign. I'm not sure if I can actually do it or not, since I'm overseas. And then, of course, booklet. And we get more photos. So far, I like this, and I'm looking forward to, you know, Universal releasing the rest of their singles, since this is a pretty nice quality. Okay, and now Johnny's West. Like I said, this is their latest album. Come on, plastic. There we go. And the full Obi, or maybe that would be better. I'm not sure if it actually focused on that. But yeah, I just got the regular edition, as in this case the limited editions are sold out. So I had to go with the regular. And with the CD out. I'm not as big a fan as Johnny's West as I am some others, but I do enjoy them, and if anything, I decided that I'm going to at least pick up their albums. And I think there should be something else. Yeah, we got member photos too, since it is an album. So, lyrics, member photos. Yeah, overall pretty basic, which I was definitely expecting, because this is one of Johnny's Entertainment, one of their labels, and for the most part they're pretty basic with their releases. Okay. Now for Smile. You know, I'm not sure if he knows, but yeah, it comes in a special case, as it is both a photo book and a CD. Let me get this out. So, CD. Well, it's a CD and a DVD. And this is for being released for a limited time, and proceeds go to charity. Again, surprised that or not surprised that that's pretty basic, but that's okay because we have an entire photo album. Not to mention everything that's on the DVD, so I am fine with that. And plus, it's a charity single, so. Alright, I've seen some pictures online already, so this should be, yeah. Basically solo shots of all the members of the groups that performed. Just gonna flip through these because otherwise it would take forever. Really happy Stones and Snowman were able to be in this since they like just debuted before this whole thing happened. And that is that. And that is my order. Of course, the main reason I want to try doing this is because I have I have a couple packages from Zen Market that should be coming in the next couple days. And they have so much in them. And I definitely want to share them with somebody. And again, because I enjoy doing these unboxings. And so I hope you enjoy watching. And so, like I said, in the next couple days, I should be back on with Zen Market, which is basically a whole host of different things that I have bought from Yahoo Japan auctions. So I hope you look forward to that, because I definitely look forward to going through all that. Until then, bye.